Welcome back, dear friends. Quiz Sloth is here with even more excitement and joy. Today, our charming friend Flash invites you to take on an exhilarating challenge in Choose Your Gift, pink, blue, or gold. With 60 amazing options on the table, you'll have just a few seconds to make your pick. Get ready for some thrilling fun. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all our exciting content. And now, let's dive into today's game. Let's explore the first choice for you: pink, blue, or gold. Which of these gifts catches your eye? How strong is your luck? Take a look at these gifts. Any favorites? Go with your instinct. Which one? Which one? What's your gut telling you? Choose now. What about picking one of these gifts? What's your favorite color? What's your first pick? Trust it. What gift are you going for? Choose your perfume. This one's not easy to choose. Want to see how lucky you are? Which one feels right to you? Which color is your absolute favorite? It's time to make your decision. Choose between pink, blue, or gold and uncover the challenge awaiting you. Drop a comment with your birthday, your country, and your last name based on your choice. Flash is excited to see your favorites. Next up, a new option for you. Trust your first thought. Which one? It's all up to chance now. How's your luck today? Choose your toothbrush. Which gift are you going to pick? Ready for more? Go ahead and pick a gift. Choose your sunglasses. What's your pick for a gift today? Got your eye on one of these gifts? Choose your dress. Make your choice. What do you think about these gifts? Have you made up your mind on a gift yet? Which color catches your eye? Ready to decide on a gift? Which of these gifts do you like the best? Can you decide which gift to choose now? Any of these gifts calling your name? Choose your phone case. Which one of these gifts is yours? Let's pick your task: pink, blue, or gold. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, or pass this video along to your friends. Time to check out the next option. Have you decided on a gift yet? Which gift will you pick today? Trust your inner voice. Which will it be? What color stands out to you? You're on fire! Keep it up! Which color do you like the most? Time to make your decision. What gift will you go with? Ready to test your luck? What's your top pick for a color? What's your take on this round? Think you're lucky? It's time to choose. What's your gift choice? Which color do you vibe with? Left, middle, or right one? Feeling lucky today? Choose wisely. Pink, blue, or gold? Pick one gift. What about these gifts? What about now? Are you a lucky one? What's your final choice for a gift? Pink, blue, or gold? Thanks for spending time with our adorable Flash today. Which color caught your eye the most? Let us know your favorite in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more fun and engaging games. Keep an eye out for our next thrilling challenge. See you in the next video.